Some effects of alcohol on eyewitnesses' memory. Over the past 20 years, research on eyewitnesses has become a major part of investigative focusing on human memory. In a review of the police files containing thousands of crime cases, the investigators found alcohol was a frequent factor with real witnesses to crimes. Although these facts, psychological literature on eyewitnesses' behavior has ignored the possible influence of alcohol. Nevertheless, file-based studies on the effect of alcohol on eyewitnesses seemed then and even now to be impossible. While this present study was conducted to achieve this purpose exactly, the present study investigated the effects of alcohol on eyewitnesses' memory. The research examined three factors. The first factor was alcohol. 120 males volunteers in small groups of 5 to 10 watched a stage thief involving live actors. The groups assigned into alcohol groups and 2 control groups. One control group was led to believe they were ingesting alcohol, when the other control group was regular control groups. The second factor involved the presence or absence of an interview immediately after the crime. An immediate recall test provides an opportunity of retrieval practice, and retrieval practice has been shown to improve later recall in memory research. The third factor concerned the constitution of a photo spread that was shown at the end of the second interview. Each subject was provided with a photo spread. Some contained the photo of the thief, and some contained the false one. The procedure. All of the groups, alcohol and the 2 control groups, was given during 30 minutes neither alcohol or drink that tasted and smelled like alcohol, while the other control group waited for 30 minutes. After that, the group was told they were about to event a staged live event. They were cautioned to be quiet and not to interrupt. Then they witnessed the event. A woman that was acting the assistant of the research was in her office, while a man, aggressive man, burst into the room and demanded money for his participation in the study. She searched for his forms and then excused herself to consult her supervisor. While her absence, the man stole her purse and the tape recorder that was on the desk. The event was designed to be complex, with unique clothing or objects that were in the room. After the completion of the event, some subjects were interviewed immediately after the event, and all the subjects returned 1 week after the event for an interview. And that was in order to examine the advantage of retrieval practice with an immediate interview, even one that is affected with alcohol. The interview followed a standard interview police format. At first it was a free recall to describe as much details as possible of what had happened. After they completed the free recall, they were asked to elaborate on the appearance of 2 actors, the objects, and the room where the event occurred. At the end of the delayed interview, each subject was shown a photo spread, whether it was consisting the thief's photo or consisting of similar false ones. Then the subject provided a confidence rating of his photo spread's choice on the 7-point scale, from 1 to 7, when 1 is a guess and 7 is very confident. Result. The result. The presence or absence of the thief's picture in the photo spread was not relevant for the analysis of the recall scores. Table 1 shows us that the witnesses under the influence of alcohol provided less scoreable information for both immediate and delayed interview. Both groups, alcohol and control groups, showed higher amount of recall during the delayed interview as opposed to the immediate interview. There were also differences in the accuracy of the recall. Control group seemed to have more accuracy than the alcohol group. Delayed recall was slightly less accuracy than the immediate recall. And table 2 showed us that the control group showed more confidence in her answer than the control groups. Alcohol negatively affects on the accuracy of the delayed interview. Photo spread. Both control and alcohol subjects show high rate of accuracy identification when the photo spread contained the thief's photo. The effect of alcohol was not significant and did not matter to this count. Discussion. The research suggests that the police may wish to consider interview witnesses as soon as possible after the event, even if they are under the influence of alcohol.